Welcome to the Comfort Mini Cape usage video. This will show you how to use this system most effectively. First thing we're going to show you is applying the sanitary strip to the mini cape. When you go to apply the sanitary strip to the mini cape, just pull the cape taut, line it up with the guide, and pull it across the roller, pulling the tape at the same time. That's all there is to applying the tape. Now we'll show it from a different angle. Set the mini cape down over the application roller, grab the tape and pull it together and cut it off. Now we'll get a close-up view of that actual process. When you put the mini cape down over the application roller, leave about an inch or inch and a half of tape sticking out. Then just grab the tape and the cape together, pull it horizontal across over the application roller, cut it off, and you're ready to put it on the customer's neck. We'll see that whole process now. See that it only takes 2 or 3 seconds from the time you start till you're ready to cut hair. Just about the easiest way you could possibly do this. We'll show you how to snug up the cape under the neck. You merely apply the mini cape, bring the ends together, and then you can squeeze it up till it's snug. That makes sure there's no gaps. Or some customers might not want to be that tight, so you can leave it comfortably loose. It won't change the performance at the back of the neck. After you have finished the haircut and brushed off the clippings over the ears and on the neck, just pull out on the mini cape, making a space in the front, put your fingers in and pull it off. When you need to shave the neck hair down a little bit and you're using a clipper, it's very easy. Just remove the mini cape, move it down on the neck so that you're below the part you want to clip. Then using the clippers, just clip those long hairs that want to be trimmed off. Of course, if you're using a razor and lather, you won't need to do this process. The lather will collect all the clippings as you're shaving the neck, obviously. After doing part of the neck, you can use the sanitary strip to pick up any clippings that you left behind, again ensuring the customer has no hair down his neck to itch later. Move it over, do the other side, you'll be finished up. Then you'll use the mini cape sanitary strip to make sure again that you've got all the clippings off the neck so they won't fall down later and undo all the great work you've just done. The next section is on refilling the dispenser. That's coming up right now. This part of the video is about loading the sanitary strip into the dispenser. To do that, you just place the dispenser with the logo face down on a table or other flat surface. Put your thumb in the opening, lift the tab, lift the cover right off. That goes by pretty fast, so we'll show a close-up view of how it's done. While it's laying down, put your thumb into the opening that's underneath the cutter, then lift the tab and lift the cover right off. Inside the dispenser you'll find a label which shows the orientation of this sanitary strip roll on the supply roller. Looking at the label, we see that the roll should go on the holder in a clockwise unwinding direction. That means that the end of the tape is on the left as you're looking at it and going up. Merely pull the sanitary strip off the roll, feed it over the application roller at the top of the machine, and then you'll want to separate the adhesive from the paper backing. To do that, you fold one corner of the paper over, that makes the adhesive stick to itself. You separate them, pulling a little slack. You want to feed the paper into the collecting roller. Folding the end of the paper makes it hook up in the slot. You just wind it on a little bit, make sure that the tape is straight, and pull on the adhesive strip, and you're fine. To put the cover back on, just line up the slots and snap it back down. You're all set to go. It may happen that the collection roller tension isn't strong enough to keep the paper collection tight, so you might need to make an adjustment. Here we'll see what happens, what I'm talking about. If the paper doesn't stay tight to the collection roller, it just needs to be adjusted a little bit. Here's a close-up look at it. What you do is hold the collection roller and then tighten the knurled knob clockwise, just a few degrees. Maybe if you think of a clock like 5 minutes on a clock. If that doesn't do it, adjust it a little bit more and you should be fine.